All right, we are looking for showers, hoping for showers. Love to see a whole bunch of activity this afternoon to calm down those temperatures. We hit 97 officially yesterday. I think we can get close again today. If we can get some showers, that should be able to knock the temperatures down. And I do think there'll be some, but I don't think it's an everybody gets wet kind of thing. I think the showers kind of few and far between, and that likely means many hours of those really high temperatures again today. We're at 76 in Tallahassee. We're at 74 in Valdosta. That breeze is still going to be a little bit more west. Tomorrow it starts to turn a little bit more southwest, and that should help the sea breeze do its thing. 81 right now at Apalachicola, at 78 at Mariana. We're at 75 at Camilla. Moultrie, 73 degrees this morning. I do see some of that hazy sunshine coming up our way. I think we're going to find some clouds at times, but all the real energy way off to the north and west, and that's where it's going to stay. A little boundary is trying to push a little more south. Higher pressure to our south will retreat a little bit over the next couple of days, but I don't think enough to let this boundary do anything. But as that area of high pressure changes its position, the winds coming around it, they will change. So today we still have that west wind, that same breeze that limits the sea breeze. After today, the breeze changes direction enough to allow the sea breeze to start doing its thing, and that means better chances for more scattered showers over the next few afternoons. Chances increase a bit tomorrow, increase a little bit more heading into the weekend, and that is what we need to calm down this heat. But for today, look for those numbers to be a lot like they were yesterday, and that's way up into the 90s and for several hours, not just for a little brief minute at 95 or 6 degrees. We could be there for 3, 4, 5 hours in spots. That's a lot of hot in the middle of the afternoon. So if you're going to be outdoors, take those really hot weather precautions. Now, as far as the tropics go, love it when things look like this. Nothing in the Gulf, nothing in the Caribbean, and nothing of any kind of tropical origin out there across the Atlantic. Let's hope it stays this way for a good long while. On the Gulf today, those breezes noticeable from the west, 8 to 16, maybe a little bouncy for those boats. We'll put the seas at 2 to 4 feet and a light to moderate chop in the protected waters. Yes, there'll be a few showers, but no, it's not an everybody gets wet or any kind of significant soakers. Also remember, this time of the year when you have this kind of hot and humid and the air is so unstable, we can absolutely pop up a couple of stronger thunderstorms. So we'll be on the lookout for those this afternoon. But again, most of us are probably going to end up hoping for showers and not seeing them. High tides will be first up this morning after 8 o'clock. They'll wrap it up before 10. 70s become 80s quickly. A lot of us up over 80 by 9:30, 10 o'clock. And a lot of us probably up over 90 by 12, 12:30 today. The rain chances, 40%, which still means there's a better chance you don't get wet than you do. But some scattered showers would go a long way to knock those numbers out of the mid-90s. We're talking mid-70s again tonight. It stays muggy. Partly cloudy skies to start us on Friday. I think our rain chances up a little bit Friday and Saturday. That should help to knock down those temperatures. Tomorrow we'll see if we can lower those daytime highs a little bit, but right now I think we're still looking at lower to mid-90s heading through the weekend. Today it's middle to upper 90s, and I've got to mention that heat index. It'll feel like it's 8 or 10 or 12 degrees hotter than it is. So mid-90s will feel like they're somewhere between 105 and 109, guys.